Hey guys, I'm in Flagstaff Garden today.
Flagstaff Gardens was designed in 1965 by Assistant Commissioner for Crown Lands and Survey, Clement Hodgkinson. The state was then also used as a meteorological and magnetic observatory between 1957 and 1962. Flagstaff Gardens is the oldest park in Melbourne. The gardens are notable for their archaeological, horticultural, historical and social significance to the history of Melbourne. Places often have cultural and historical significance. However, cultural and historical context has a significant impact on children and can be used to teach children about the history, traditions, and cultural practice associated with the place. This broader perspective enriches their understanding of the world. Nature is the best teacher. Learning outside can make math and science concepts more relevant and meaningful to children. When children can connect their learning to their surroundings, they are more likely to be enthusiastic and curious. Play provides an authentic learning environment. It allows children to realize that math and science are not abstract concepts, but integrate to their daily lives. This is real learning, and this authenticity enhances their understanding of knowledge. Nature environments such as gardens offer countless opportunities for observation and exploration. Children can ask questions, develop hypotheses, and test them about what they say while experiencing the joy of discovery. Researchers such as Jim Piaget and Lev Vygotsky have emphasized the importance of games in cognitive development. I can develop counting and sorting skills in children while exploring garden plants by designing games. Children work in pairs or small groups to find and collect assigned objects, for example, several different types of leaves or flowers. Also, have children count petals on flowers and sort leaves by size and shape, reinforcing math concepts like counting and sorting. Places provide children with opportunities for multisensory learning, and places involve multiple senses. Children can touch, smell, hear, and see environment elements, enhancing their learning experience. This type of multisensory engagement is particularly beneficial for early childhood education because it caters to different learning styles. Thanks to the diversity of nature, I can also encourage children to observe and identify different plant species while discussing their characteristics and understand the life cycle of plants. For example, when do flowers bloom and when do they fail? I can lead the children in observing and recording the type of birds they find in the garden. Count and record the number of birds observed and learn about the various species of birds and their behavior. Enrich children's scientific knowledge and develop observation skills. Children will learn about the type of birds and their habits and record their observations in journaling. Teaching in nature environments instills a sense of environmental stewardship and responsibility. Children can learn about the importance of protecting the natural world, which fits with broader education goals related to the sustainability and ecological awareness. I will teach children about time and how to measure it through the Flagstaff Garden sundial, which can be engaging and educational experience. Sundials provide a practical, hands-on way to introduce the concept of time, shadows, and the science.